Tired of being chained to your desk answering the same customer questions over and over? Today, we're diving into what an Aisensy chatbot is, how it works, and how it can revolutionize your customer communication. Aisensy chatbots are essentially virtual assistants designed to automate conversations on platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram. Think of it as a smart robot responding to customer inquiries 24/7. They're built within the Aisensy platform, using sophisticated AI and rule-based systems to understand and respond to messages instantly. Functionally, you can create these chatbots to answer frequently asked questions, provide instant support, qualify leads, schedule appointments, and even process orders. The possibilities are vast. The benefits are clear: dramatically increased efficiency, slashed response times, happier customers who get instant help, and significant cost savings for your business. All of this because you're freeing up your human agents to handle more complex issues. By utilizing Aisensy chatbots, you're not just automating tasks. You're enhancing your entire communication strategy. Imagine customers getting instant answers about product information, tracking their order status, or booking appointments without waiting for a human agent. So, if you're ready to take your customer communication to the next level, explore the world of Aisensy chatbots and unlock the power of AI-driven automation.